Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate URL scraper on Reddit using Socinator. If there are posts on Reddit you want to scrape, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Reddit account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Reddit through Socinator. Let's click URL Scraper. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to scrape a number of posts on Reddit within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for URL Scraper activity. Let's start with the first one, Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted posts to scrape. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the post. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you may click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For keywords, let's type marketing, for example. Type it in this area, then click Add. So this will target Reddit posts containing this keyword and scrape them. Next, for custom URL, we need a specific Reddit URL. Let's say you want to target this specific Reddit post, for example. So copy the post URL here. Success. Paste it in the query box and click Add. So this will target this specific Reddit post and scrape it. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the trash bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the second one, click it, and it's gone. The second configuration category is Job Configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should scrape posts on Reddit. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow, with an average daily activities of 84, medium with 250, fast with 417, or super fast with 834. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each post is scraped. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after scraping the number of posts you set in number of URL scraper per job. Number of URL scraper per job will allow you to specify the number of posts to scrape per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of posts to scrape per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max URL scrape per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep scraping posts even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m., and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it Reddit URL Scraper. Click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing Reddit URL Scraper. The last tool is Post Filters. This allows us to filter the posts we want to scrape on Reddit. Check the first one to target sponsored posts. Check the second one to target locked posts. Check the third one to target archived posts. The fourth one will target hidden posts. Next, we'll target roadblock posts. Next, we'll target blank posts. Then this one will target original content. The next one will allow you to specify the gold count in a specific range between two numbers. Next, you can specify the score in a specific range between two numbers. Then the numCross posts in a specific range between two numbers. Then the number of votes in a specific range between two numbers. Finally, you can specify the number of comments the post should have. Let's say 10 to 20. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start scraping posts on Reddit, let's scroll up and click Save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. To view the posts you have scraped, click Reports over here. Now, let me show you another option in automating URL scraper on Reddit using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Reddit. This will take us to the Account tab. Let's switch to the Scraper tab and select URL Scraper on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Reddit URL Scraper. For search query, let's use keywords as our query type. And let's type marketing as our query. Click Add. For job configuration, let's select slow. And for post filters, let's target posts containing 10 to 20 comments. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, Select Account or Accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Reddit accounts. Since you only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Reddit URL Scraper campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. To view the posts you have scraped, click Report over here. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.